Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have 3 easy Easter DIYs that all involve gingham. I love gingham for Easter. The first one, I'm going to take one of the wood egg signs from the Dollar Tree and cover it with some of their colorful burlap. This one has the pink, the white, the turquoise lines on it. I thought that'd be a good background to make a little planter on the sign. So I'm just going to take that burlap that I cut down to size, put a nice coat of Mod Podge down, and attach this. It was a little curly because I didn't iron the burlap, but I'm going to go over the top of it with more Mod Podge to seal it down. And once it dries, I just cut off any of the fraying from the burlap. And this is a great little bucket that I found at the Dollar Tree in the Crafter Square. I thought this would make a great wall planter. It is a galvanized metal bucket with a cute little handle that I think looks really cute for Easter. And I'm just going to use the hanger to actually attach that, but just by adding some more twine. For the gingham effect, I'm going to use the little pink and white gingham bunnies here and also tack the little bucket down to the egg so it'll stay in place. Now let's fill it up with some spring florals. These are the little tiny baby's breath in white and pink. I just add some of the Dollar Tree's floral foam inside and just cut some of these down to size. I kind of just wanted to stick with the pink and white, like the pink and white gingham on the little Easter bunny in the front. But I love these galvanized buckets. They really need to get some more of these in. I think they're so cute. And this is how it turned out. So fun and easy. For the next gingham Easter Dollar Tree DIY, I wanted to try to make something out of one of their pillow covers. So what I did is I picked up 2 of the wood shelves from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put them together to make this into a sign. I love crafting with these wood shelves because they're nice and thick, they don't get bowed, and they're actually like real wood. I want to cover it with one of the pillow covers. This one I'm doing is the pink gingham of the Easter bunny, and I thought it'd be fun to, instead of using it traditionally as a pillow cover, to actually make it into a sign. So I just hot glued the 2 board signs together, the 2 board shelves, to give me a background. And then I'm going to cut down the pillowcase. It's a really nice material. I really like the pillow covers they've been having at the Dollar Tree for different seasons. I put a nice coat of Mod Podge down, and we're going to cover the sign with a pillow cover. Isn't that so cute? Now for a little color to the hanger, I'm going to use some of the Easter wood bead garland in the pink, white, and yellow. I thought that would be really cute. And I'm just going to simply tie that on one side of the sign and here put it through the other side as well. I just have to poke some holes in the pillow cover. For a bunny tail, I was trying to decide if I wanted to use one off the little bunny costumes or if I wanted a pink one. I think pink, one of the pink little pom-poms from the craft kits at Dollar Tree, would be cute for a little bunny tail. And then I am going to finish it off with some of that pink rickrack from the Dollar Tree. I thought that'd be really cute for a little frame around the edges. I just attach everything with hot glue, and I think this turned out really cute. I did end up cutting my fabric for the 2 different board signs, totally optional. I just thought it added a little bit more interest. And this is how my little gingham bunny sign turned out. I love it. For the next gingham DIY, it's really simple. I just bought one of these light blue Easter bunny gnomes from the Dollar Tree. He's got a striped hat, not necessarily gingham, but I thought we could have him hold maybe a little gingham egg. I'm going to spell out the word hop on his sign just to make it a little bit less plain with some of the felt letters from the Dollar Tree. And then he's got little hands and feet, so I'm going to have him hold one of the Easter eggs, the blue and white gingham, to match him. And I just attach that to his body with a little hot glue and make it look like he's holding it. I love gingham for Easter. I have so many DIYs over on my YouTube channel that has gingham for Easter. I think it's just really sweet. And you can find a lot of items from the Dollar Tree. If you'd like more Easter DIYs or just Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.